So, meron ka bang placements ng water sign sa chart mo? Especially doon sa rising sign mo. Kung meron ka, regardless kung nasan yung placement ng water sign mo, this is for you. Medyo kailangang malaman. Let's talk. Puro da ako hingal kaya dito muna ako sa bahay gagawa ng video. Okay, bakit? Kasi in contrast doon sa iba pang elements, air, kasi air din siya, di ba? Earth, ganun din. Fire, mag-intensify lang. Water kasi natutuyo eh. So, it absorbs a lot. So, if you have a water sign in any of your placements, especially again rising, be careful Huwag kayo nag-share muna ng mga plans nyo o yung mga paparating pa lang. Kasi mas susceptible kayo sa energies. Mas madali nyo ma-absorb yung mga energies. Regardless kung negative man to or positive. So let's say that your placement of a water sign is in your, sabihin natin nasa Jupiter mo. So be careful na huwag ka mag-share ng mga tungkol sa mga expansions na balak mo or with regards to your finances. Hanggat hindi pa to nangyayari. So let's say naman na yung placement mo is nasa Venus. So be careful as well in sharing things about your relationships. Kasi mas susceptible ka pag may water sign ka doon. Mas madali mo ma-absorb kung ano man yung energy. So it also means na maging careful ka kung kanino mo sinishare yung mga plans mo. Hanggat hindi yan nagmamaterialize, wag. So sabihin natin may placement ka sa mid-heaven mo ng water place, ng water sign. Be careful on sharing what are your plans towards your career. Diba? Hanggat sinabi na may job offer ka. Hanggat hindi ka pumipirma, quiet ka lang, ha? Kasi in this world, natural sa mga tao ang mga inggitero at inggitera. It's a normal thing. It's a human behavior. At iwasan natin na ma-absorb yun. Especially, mas susceptible ka or mas madali mo ma-absorb yung energy kung ang placement, ang rising sign mo is in, it has a water sign. So, ano may water sign? So, the Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. So, medyo quiet lang tayo ha. Hindi lahat ng mga bagay kailangan sinishare natin. Hindi lahat ng bagay pinapaalam natin. If ever kailangan mo mag-share, maybe hihingi ka ng opinion, ng advice from another person, be sure pipiliin mo lang yung pagsasabihan mo. So, this time, take that chance. Take that leap of making that change na medyo mag-quiet down muna ikaw. So, I hope nakatulong. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for the upcoming weekly horoscopes. Kung kailangan gusto nyo kayo support, please do. So, follow me as well here and don't forget to repost this video.